You've lost a filling. As you look, this tooth right here has some missing tooth structure, right? Something's completely gone from there. One of the best things that you can do is go to any pharmacy and pick up a temporary dental filling material. This is one of many. The brand is not important. It's just that it's a temporary putty material. Now, this also talks about being used for loose crowns or loose caps. I do not recommend it for that. If you use it for a loose crown or a loose cap, it's too strong. There's a good chance that crown will not be retrievable and you may have to redo it. So don't use this for crowns, but do use it for temporary fillings. It's a good temporary fix. Let me show you how this works. So we've got this out of the packaging. If you open this cap, it has a putty inside. This tool is made to get that putty out. Take a little bit out of there and just apply that to the area where that tooth has the filling missing. Just get it in place. You don't need to overfill it. Don't worry if you do. It has this little end that's made to tap that down just a little bit. You're not trying to build this back up to full contour. You're just trying to get it so that there's not a hole in that tooth. So this is just a regular Q-tip. I've got it a little bit damp with some water. Just push that down into place. Fill in that space. The idea is you're trying to get rid of this food trap right in between those teeth. Take this on the outside, just tease that down. When you're finished, bite your teeth together, bite and squeeze, and then grind around side to side, tap, 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 every direction you can think of. The idea being that you want to get that to where it's not hitting high at all. It's soft and malleable right now, but as it starts to harden, it becomes a pretty good filling material, pretty hard filling material. This was initially developed for use in soldiers who are going overseas and were going to be gone for quite some time. They did not have access to proper dental care. And so this is a decent temporary filling. It's not made to last months. This lasts days, maybe even a week, but try to get into your dentist as quick as possible. But at least that will get rid of some of your sensitivity, and it will keep you from packing food down in between those teeth where that hole was. This typically has a sedative in there as well, which does a good job of making sure that that tooth doesn't get too sensitive in the meantime. Hope that helps.